Exporting or saving as a PDF in InDesign gives you the options to generate files for different resolutions without affecting the original InDesign document. Using the Adobe PDF presets, you will see it includes a variety of different options built in. You have, for example, smallest file size, ideal for email and the internet. You've got the option to do, for example, high quality print for internal printing. You can also export as press quality, ideal for creating artwork which is suitable for high-end reproduction. There is also a feature which allows you to export a document as an Adobe PDF Interactive.